Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get free unlimited likes to your Instagram profile. It works on Android devices and also iPhone devices. So let me show you the Instagram profile first. I'm gonna refresh the feed so you can see the username and the details of the account. Also see the likes of the Instagram post of this account. I will show you the likes of all the Instagram posts on this account. You can see the likes range from 10 to 2k likes for every post. Once we do this method, we will see if the likes are increased. I have already used this method to get likes for my account. This method uses the app named Likes Generator to deliver all the likes to your account. I'm gonna quickly open the app, and this is how the interface would look like. In the username field, you will have to enter the username, so I will enter the username, which was MayMayGuys98 in this field, and after that I will click on connect. Once you do it, you will have to check if the account is correct, and then you will have to confirm the account. Just select the number of likes that you want on your profile. It will randomly send the likes to any of your posts on your profile. I will select 1k likes for my account and then confirm again. After doing this, it will start the connection to your profile and it will start accumulating the profiles that will possibly like your account. Everything will happen in the background, so you'll have to wait and enjoy the process. It will check if everything is in place and if the app has all the permissions to send the likes to your account. Once this is complete, you will see this page where it says likes has been sent, and now you will have to wait for some time until you can see the likes being delivered to your account. I will close the app and then we will have to wait for some time. You need to wait for at least 5 minutes to an hour before likes start increasing. I will open Instagram again and then we will see if the likes are delivered. And guys, as you can see, the likes have started increasing and I have got 100 plus likes to my profile already. You see how easy this was? I will refresh the page so that you can see it live in real time how the likes are increasing. Every time I refresh, you can see new likes being added. Let me see which post has been getting the likes. So the third post on my account has been getting all the likes. Every time I refresh the page, the likes increase on that post. But before that, smash that like button real quick and click on the subscribe button and bell icon to not miss any notification from this channel. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Yo, welcome again guys. So the app that we are gonna be using for this method is known as a Likes Generator app. But before we use it, we need to make sure that our device is ready for it. What I mean is we need to do few settings on your phone so that the app can work properly. So I'm gonna head over to the settings page of my iPhone, and then you'll have to scroll down and click on the general settings. Here you'll have to find the background app refresh option. Once inside this setting, you have to make sure that it is set to Wi-Fi and mobile data, or it is set to Wi-Fi only. But I would recommend that you set it to Wi-Fi and mobile data just to be sure that it works correctly without any issues. So this was the first setting that you need to do. Now we will go back to the main settings page, and here we will look for the battery option, as this is the second setting that we need to change. Here we have to make sure that the low power mode is turned off. If you turn it on, the battery will turn yellow, which means that the low power mode is now on, which you don't want, so make sure it is set to off. So this is the last setting that we need to do on your iPhone, and now my iPhone is ready to install the Likes Generator app. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this on your Android device, so let me quickly switch to my Android device. So the settings on Android are a bit different, but don't worry, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So the first setting that we need to do is we have to look for apps and notifications. Once you find it, you need to scroll to the bottom of the page and then look for the option which says Special App Access. Click on it, and then you have to find the Install Unknown Apps option. After clicking on it, I will click on Chrome, and then you have to make sure that it is set to allow from this source. It shouldn't be off. I use Chrome, but you can use whatever browser you have. Just make sure that it is set to allow from this source so that you can download the apps from other websites. And now we are gonna look for the other settings, which is located inside the battery option. Go to the battery settings and you have to click on battery saver option. Here we need to make sure that the battery saver is turned off. You don't want it to be on because then you get less power for the app and it may malfunction. So just make sure you do these two settings correctly. Now our Android device is also ready and we can install the app now. Rest of the method is same for both Android as well as iPhone device, so I'll do the rest of the things on my iPhone device only. Now you must be asking, everything is fine, but how do I download the app? So the website from where you can download the app is known as appmodder.com. Please make sure to type it correctly. It has 2 D's in the spelling. You can find the app in the featured apps, or you can also search it on the search box, or you can browse the whole website and then you can find the app by the name Likes Generator. When you find it, just click on it and then it will open up a pop-up where it shows all the information about the app. Here you can click on the download button and then it will start the download of the app. I will fast forward this video so that it doesn't become too long. After it has been processed, you need to click on allow and then it will be downloaded on your phone. To find the profile, you need to go to the settings page and then inside the downloaded profile, you can see the profile that you just downloaded. As I already have the profile, I won't install it again. So this is it guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please do leave a like and tell me what you think about this. Thank you for watching this video.